Hello guys, welcome again to our video tutorials. So our topic today is all about heat transfer by convection. And here is our sample problem. A 7 centimeter external diameter, 8 meter long hot water pipe at 80 degrees Celsius is losing heat to the surrounding air at 5 degrees Celsius by natural convection with a heat transfer coefficient of 25 over squared meter degrees Celsius. Determine the rate of heat loss from the pipe by natural convection in kilowatt. So, listing our given here, our length is 18 meter and our diameter, external diameter is 7 centimeter and we converted into meters, and our two temperature 80 degrees Celsius and 5 degrees Celsius, and our heat transfer coefficient 25 watts per square meter degrees Celsius. And first, before we can answer the question, we first need to find the area. So area is equal to pi d times the length. So pi times 0.07 meter times 18 meters. So we have our area here 3.958 square meter. And after that, we can calculate the heat loss from the pipe by natural convection through this formula. Q convection is equal to the heat transfer coefficient times the area times the change in temperature. So putting these values in our calculator, 25 watts per square meter degrees Celsius times 3.958 square meter times the change in temperature 80 minus 5 degrees Celsius, and we have our answer here in watts 7422, and we need to convert it into kilowatts since we are asked to do it. So 7.42 kilowatts is our final answer.